In twilight's glow, echoes twine. A whisper flows through branches high. With every leaf, a heart's design. Awake the dreams that do not die. In twilight, call of nature's grace. Boundless love in every place. Feel the wind, the earth's embrace. A song that time cannot erase. Through realms of light and shadows cast, we dance on paths where spirits soar. In love's embrace we find at last a peace that touches every shore. Through realms of light and shadows cast, we dance on paths where spirits soar. In love's embrace we find at last a peace that touches every shore. Whispers of the forest sigh, voices of the old nearby, guiding us beneath the sky where stars and hearts collide and fly. Feel the call of nature's grace, boundless love in every place. Feel the wind, the earth's embrace, a song that time cannot erase. Not erase. Through realms of light and shadows cast, we dance on paths where spirits soar. In twilight's glow our spirits rise, bound in nature's endless ties. Shadows cast, we dance on paths where spirits soar.